Hi friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I want to show how I create custom front cake toppers using my 3D printer. These toppers are a little different. They don't go on top of the cake. They are placed on the front part of cake and I call them the Plaque topper. I usually make names, number or short phrase for birthdays. One important detail, I designed special supports on the back so you can easily insert the topper into the cake like a pin. Here you can see some real examples from my client orders and how they look on finished cakes. If you have a 3D printer, you can create your own cake decorations or you can start sell them. You can create plaque toppers for birthdays, baby showers and custom events. Now I will show how you can make them. I create 3D models for all my plaque cake toppers with GenShapr. GenShapr is a tool that helps you turn images into 3D models for printing. First, I found the design I want. For example, I will use this image that I found on Pinterest. It has to be black image on a white background and I uploaded it into GenShapr. Then I adjust the size of the topper to fit my cake. For example, I want size 3 inches and select the height 1.5 millimeters. Here we will add the back supports. These are small pins on the back that help attach the topper to the cake. We can place them horizontally or vertically, depending on your design and image. And I can also choose how many pins I want. Once I'm happy with the design, the size and supports, I download the STL file, which is ready for 3D printing. Then I open my file in the Bambu Lab app. On the left you can see the printing settings I use. Then I mirror the design before printing. Click here, rotate and moved on 180. Here we can see that our pins on the top. After that I click preview. Here we can see printing time. Click on print plate. Select the filament and send to print. These are a few toppers I made using this technique, and here you can see how they look on the final cake. If you want to see the full process of how I 3D printed my toppers, check out my other video on my channel. I have separate playlist where I collect all my tutorials about 3D printing. Subscribe to my channel and happy crafting, my friends!